Hey guys, it's James here. Hey guys, it's James here from Smack Videos More. Today we'll be telling you how to make a paper football. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you're going to do a little fold like this, half it, and you want to fold it up, try and get it as best as you can. Might be a little bit more difficult for you non-folders. Okay, I'm going to try and get it perfect. I'm going to try and get it tight as you can. What I like to do, it makes it fold easier. You give it a little soft lick. Then you flip it backwards. Now the other way. Don't have to lick it again. Just try and tighten it up some more. Then you're going to bring it back apart, keep it apart. Then you're going to pull away. It's easier if it's licked, and dang it, I just messed up. It's better when it's on a table. I might have to fold this again. And if it's folding bad, just go through another lick. Licking just makes it the easiest. I'm going to use the non-rip side. Then you're going to do this exact same thing again. Alright guys, so now you got this problem. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to fold it across like that. Just like that, try and get it even with the line. And then you're going to fold down, try and get it even. And then you're going to go to the side to get it like that. And then you do the same thing, come down. It's a shorter process then. And then you get to here. This is the part people get confused with. You're going to tear it with just a tiny bit left, like that. Then you're going to stick that tiny piece back in the thing. And my friend, you have yourself a finger flip football. So there's the video, guys. Don't forget to Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you do what you do, so I can do those videos. Peace out.